Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie, and please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos, and welcome to this week's video. So in today's video, we are basically going to be doing cleaning and organizing. So as you can see, I'm sorting out my laundry. I'm going to start by doing my laundry, and then we will move on to some organization in my closet, my daughter's closet that is, and also we'll be doing a little bit of fridge cleaning and organizing. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure to share, and leave a comment down below. So let's get to it.
Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding.
So guys, I'm sure you can tell by the way I'm sorting my clothes. I usually sort them by colors, so the whites, and then bright colors, and then dark colors. So for my whites, I always soak them with bleach before I put them in the washing machine, just to make sure they are nice and white. So yeah.
Whenever you talk, you stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts. Surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. Won't you tell me now? You never answer when I call, locked in your room and so withdrawn. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I feel you getting lost, I feel you dreaming up. I feel it in your eyes when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal. So subliminal. About the way that your heart shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts. Surrounded by paper walls. Tell me what's been going on.
Every weekend is the same. I'm the one you try to claim. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. Call me up with no shame. All your words sound the same. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one to sit around and be played. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, cause you're way overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, cause now I see you through. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, cause you're way overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, cause now I see you through. Every now and then I think what we had was something real. Don't know why, cause I've been hurt like this, but never thought that I would fight for you this much. Don't know why, and tonight
Hi guys, please ignore the mess you see around. I'm gonna show you how this room looks like in a minute, because it has like a lot of clothes. So yesterday I did a really huge declutter of like clothes and stuff, so I have like a lot of clothes to donate. I'm gonna show you how I pack those maybe in a different video. So I just want to try and organize a few clothes. I'm gonna start with my daughter's closet because I feel like that is the easiest to do, and then also all the clothes I kept I have to rewash. So I have like a huge pile also in my guest bathroom, like just lying there, but I have to rewash, just like a quick rinse because of the dust, of course. So that is going to take a couple of days. I didn't even want to like shoot all that mess of decluttering, but so far so good. I'm gonna show you in a while. I think I've already said that how the room looks like. It's a huge mess. I'm just going to fold these clothes one day at a time. I'm not going to rush. So I'm going to start with my daughter's room, and then maybe probably I'll show you in another video my closet and hubbies. And yeah, so let's get straight into my daughter's closet because this cannot be done in a day.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, yeah, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes.
So guys, you might be wondering why her sweater section looks slightly neater than the rest of them. It's because she hates wearing sweaters, like she hates putting on sweaters. So most of the time she prefers jackets to sweaters, and we are trying to deal with that, especially now it's so cold. You have to like, beg her to wear sweaters, but as long as she's like warm with a jacket, it's still okay. So all these sweaters, some of them I'm not even sure when you're going to put them on, but it's fine. So yeah.
I'ma leave without giving up. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hi guys, so I want to show you what I actually got from the market. I have a lot of tomatoes honestly this month. Yes mama. And then I have some green peppers. They are really fresh, so yeah, I have a lot of them. And then I have some dania right here. I'm gonna chop this and then freeze them as I always do. And then here, yes baby. Mom. Yes. And then I got some fruits as well. I got some apples. We've already eaten some. And then some passion fruits also. We've already eaten some. And then I found this in the market. I didn't know like they're in the market. So I got some pixies, a lot of them. People love them in this house. So I got a bunch of pixies and then some lemons because you guys flew everywhere. And then I got some bananas right here and also got some onions and potatoes. I'm gonna show you that in a while. Hi guys, so I want to clean my fridge. It is actually so dirty. As you can see, I have like meat stains all over because I didn't like package them nicely before I placed them in the freezer. So I want to do that. And also my fridge looks almost empty and I just bought some groceries, so I want to clean it and then store them in the fridge. So let's go ahead and do that.
Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. 'Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I was so caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Read me those lines, but they lost the meaning. I know something isn't right. See the demons in your eyes. I know you're afraid. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by behind paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. Won't you tell me now? You never answer when I call, locked in your room and so withdrawn. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I feel you getting lost, I feel you draining up. I feel it in your eyes when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal. About the way that your eyes shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by paper walls. Tell me what's been going on.
So guys, for my first wash, I'm going to use some lemon juice, and then I'm just going to add in some dishwashing soap and use my sponge to just make sure everything is nice and clean, and then go over the second time with some water and vinegar. So that is what we are doing.
I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now the prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Now I found you. And now my prayers been answered. Now I found you. Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own. And now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
Every weekend is the same. I'm the one you're trying to claim. Yeah, I already know about your game, but I'm not the one. Is it around? Let me play. Call me up with no shame. Are you?
So guys, I'm done with the fridge. It is super clean. I've already put back my partitions and all those things, so I'm just going to put back all my things, and then that will be it for this fridge cleaning video. So yeah.
If you come around just to play me, don't fall back, 'cause the way I'ma do it. Don't even try to convince me. Don't to be blamed. 'Cause I ain't the one who entertains. Yeah, I already know about your stupid games. Come around, come around. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, 'cause you're way overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, 'cause now I see you through. If you come around just to play me, don't bother, 'cause you're way overdue. Don't even try to convince me. Don't bother, 'cause now I see you through.
Lately you don't feel like yourself, and you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. 'Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Ooh, tell me what's been going on. Ooh, I was so caught up thinking about myself, never took time to listen. Couldn't see that you were going through hell. Now you're cold and distant. You say you're fine, but your heart is bleeding. Feed me those lines, but they lost the meaning. I know something isn't right. See the demons in your eyes. I know you're afraid. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on. Ooh, tell me what's been going on. Won't you tell me now? You never answer when I call, locked in your room and so it don't. Tell me what's been going on. Tell me what's been going on. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. I feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal, so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on.
So guys, I am done and this is how my freezer looks like. So that
Every
is
time
everything.
we
This is
say
my fish
goodbye,
fillet, and then I have some chicken right
they
here
all
and
see
another one
that
here.
it's a lie.
Then I have some meat and minced meat here, and then my cereals on these containers. And then I have some green peas as well. Then I have some ice cream on the top compartment. Then these are frozen dania. This is how I store my danias, and they stay fresh for a while. Then I have some sausages. These are also sausages that I had already stored. And then my fridge, this is how my fridge looks like. I have some eggs right there, and then I have some milk and yogurt on that one. And then this is where I place my dawas. If I have like any medicine that needs to go in the fridge, this is where I put it, and you can lock it in case you have like a little child. So yeah, that's where I put my medicine, and then I have some milk right there, and I have some mala and the pina colada dessert topping sauce. And on the bottom one I have just a lot of not a lot, just a couple of sauces. I have soy sauce, and then barbecue sauce, the Galitos sauce, baked beans, tomato sauce, and mustard. And then I have some more milk. I'm sure you're wondering why my milk is in the fridge. So we take coffee a lot, and we prefer cold milk when we are frothing the milk. So yeah, then I have some butter right there. Then I have some fruits. So I have some grapes, and then I have some passion fruits and apples, and then I have some Pixies apple. This is how I store my carrots. I've already said that a couple of times, and they stay for a very long time. So those are my carrots, and then my green peppers. Okay, and then I have some leftover food right there, and some lemons. Ginger is somewhere behind there, and then I have my tomatoes. I have a lot of them. A lot of tomatoes right there, and basically that's it. My fridge is really clean. I feel so good, you guys. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please make sure to hit the like button, make sure to share the video, and also if you've not subscribed, please do the deed. Anyway, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.
Etched on your face, I know the feeling. Swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you